Hello friends, so in this tutorial I will teach what is ls command, its usage and its analogy. So ls command is basically used to see the contents of a directory. Directory, I mean to say a folder. So whenever if you open this Firefox folder, you can see four things over here. Two are folder, and then we have one zip file and one hidden file. Same thing can be seen using terminal. Three things. Here's the fourth one. So the fourth one is your hidden file. To see the hidden files, use -a option. You can see this one. So let's generalize. First of all, ls is your command, then we have options. So whatever I'm mentioning in hyphen is your option. Then we have path name. So whatever I have mentioned in the square bracket are optional things. So it may or may not require. It is all depends on your requirement. So ls-a gives you the content of the Firefox folder. So these comes in a column format. If you want the same thing comes in a row format, you can use -1 option. Okay, let's see some other options. -lc. So -l is for long listing. I want to see hidden file also. So here you can see 7 fields. So what it represents, we'll see one by one. So the first field here the first character, this one D, so it represents whether it's a directory or a file. Hyphen means it's a file, regular file. Then after that we have 9 characters. It consists of 9 characters. We'll see what does this mean. So RWX is your permission. So each 3 characters represents the permission on owner, group or other. Okay, let's see the next field. Next field is for, it indicates the number of links to that file. The third field is your owner name. The fourth field is your group name. Fifth field is the number of bytes it has. Then we have this field, sixth field. It represents the last modification date and time of that file, and the last one is your file name. Okay, then see some more options. So if you see over here, it's in bytes. So if you want the same thing comes in human readable format, so you can use this option H. So M is your megabyte, K is your kilobyte. Okay, let's see. I've generalized this thing. So this thing I have covered. So we'll see this one, path name, how to use this. So I'll use this ls path name. Let's see what is there. We have unit folder. We'll use this one, ls. I want to see the contents of this folder. So here I can see there's one folder. It has, let's confirm this. Yes, we have one folder. Okay, to see recursively, like I'll tell you. So in the Firefox folder we have this folder Firefox. Here I can see many other folders, files. So to see what is there in the subfolders, you can use this option -r in caps. See, like I've seen this. So in this we have this help folder. Okay, and there's one shortcut for ls-la. So this is ll. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot.